In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to get this look right here using our brand new Dreamy Lash. Let's jump right into the tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. Whenever I do a look using the festival lashes, I always tend to want to keep the shadow sort of on the lighter side just because I really want the festival lashes to pop. So what I'm going to do is just add the shadows to enhance the lashes, if that makes sense. So the first shade I'm going to apply is Supreme, and I'm going to put that in my crease and kind of all over my lid, just blending upwards all around. I want this to kind of be like almost like an all over color, but keeping it concentrated mostly in the crease. I'm also going to take that same shade and apply it in my lower lash line as well. And I'm actually going to add a little bit more of that shade to my outer corner just to intensify it. Now I'm going to take the shade Trust Issues, and I'm going to be applying that on my lid and in my inner corner. It's this like super kind of iridescent shade, and I feel like it will be perfect with these lashes. I'm actually just going to use my finger to apply this shade. Now I'm going to apply the shade Shookington right next to that shade, almost kind of toward my outer V. Same thing I'm just going to apply with my finger. I'm applying this super lightly. It's extremely pigmented, so I just want to get a little bit of that color. Now time for the fun part. I'm going to apply our liquid magnetic liner. I'm just going to be using the shade Black today. And while my liner is drying, I applied just a little bit of mascara to make sure my lashes blend. Now, of course, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Applying the Dreamy Lash. This is my favorite lash out of our festival collection. I love the colors. I love the shape of the lash too. I feel like it really complements my eye shape, and I basically just love everything about it. So let's put it on. Now that we have our lashes on, I've decided that I want to mirror the top and the bottom a little bit. So I'm going to apply that shade Shookington, the purple shade, to my bottom lashes just a little bit. Now, of course, to finish off the look, I'm going to add a lip color, and I've decided to go with this super dark purple from Shea Moisture. It is their Shea Butter Luscious lipstick. This is giving me like witchy vibes, and I'm loving it, all of it. So there you have the tutorial with the Dreamy Lash. I love letting the lash kind of shine for itself, but just adding some shadows to just kind of complement it and bring it out, make it stand out a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we hope you love the Dreamy Lash as much as we do. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.